blessing sa birthday gift niya mga siya ta nag-birthday pero nanghatag siya og money si Sir Filsan Abdullah taga Malaysia. Itagamit tag 500 pesos. Daghang salamat. Thank you so much, sir, sa imong grasya or blessing to give to me and to all team Yahoo. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Filsan Abdullah. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Faisal. I hope many birthday to come. Thank you very much for blessing for you.
Happy birthday, Imam Faisal Abdul Rauf. Thank you for the blessing. Happy birthday again.
Hello. Thank you very much, Imam Faisal Abdul Rauf. Happy birthday.
Alhamdulillah. Happy birthday, Imam.
Hello guys! For this video guys ay magpapasalamat tayo sa isang tao guys kasi nag-share siya ng kanyang blessing. Sir Imam Faisal Abdul Rauf, thank you so much sir for sharing your blessings. Si sir guys ay nagsiselebrate siya ng kanyang birthday at siya pa yung namimigay ng blessing sa atin. Sir, God bless you. More years to come and good health always. Keep safe always, sir. Thank you so much for the blessing that you share. This is very helpful and my family is very thankful to you. And yun guys, nagpapasalamat lang tayo sa isang napaka-generous na tao guys. Yeah, thank you for watching guys, and also thank you so much to Ma'am PH2KL TV kasi siya guys yung naging daan para mapili tayo na mabigyan ng blessings. And Ma'am PH2KL TV, God bless you always ma'am, and thank you so much. Bye.